Say good morning, Carrie. Happy Black Friday. I can't wait to come watch your new TV. Are you going to go watch Carrie's new TV? What do you think? See, I'm getting so big. Look at me. I'm huge. Here, let me stand up so you can see how big she is. She's pretty big. She takes up a lot of the bed. Let's move this so we can see you. Say good morning. Oh, she's pooping. I heard it. I don't know if the camera heard it, but I heard it. Okay, Carrie, I'm pooping my pants for you. Love you. Okay, say bye-bye.